Hi everyone, welcome to another video. So today we're going to discuss about what is the minimum capital needed to set up a prop trading firm. So main topic is how to set up a prop trading firm in India, US and UK. What is the minimum capital that is needed to set it up? How many minimum people we need to employ who need to work at the company? What their salary structure and roles would be? And what are the third party agencies that we need to hire, like software companies, prime brokers, chartered accountants, custodians, legal and compliance officers to work in the prop firm? And how much minimum capital is needed to cover the fixed cost of the business? What is the minimum size of the fund that can cover the expenses and salaries of the people employed? What is the best structure, company formation structure for tax optimization? We will go through how family offices what family offices are and how they can help the prop trading firms. Okay, so that's the topic. So what's a prop trading firm? A prop trading firm is it trades its own capital. Okay, so unlike asset management companies which pool money from different investors, and they're just like a fund manager basically. They don't own those assets, they are just managing the assets for some other people, and they take a commission for that. Okay, so that's asset management. And hedge fund is also similar. They pool capital from large investors, and they also are technically fund managers only. This prop firm is different. They don't pool money from investors, they trade using their own capital. Okay, so prop trading firm uses its own capital to trade. There will be no outside investors, no assets under management reporting. So it's very good from a reporting standpoint also, because you're not taking people's money and you're being a representative of people or a fund manager and managing the money on their behalf, and you're taking a cut for of it. This is, you're taking your own capital, and since it's your own capital, there are no outside investors, no assets under management reporting, no performance fees. Everything, profit belongs completely to you. Okay, so profit completely belongs to the firm. Whereas in hedge fund, you need to give, 2%, 20% model is there. You'll only get 20% of the profits, and it's further less in the asset management companies. But that fund size is large because the capital is pulled from a lot of people and a lot of companies. Okay, so, and it has a lot of regulation also, and compliance that you need to follow. A lot of third party agencies you need to employ. But pro firm, what it will allow you is, it will allow you to trade your own capital, and there will be no outside investors, no reporting will be very less, like no assets under management reporting, no performance fees, and complete profit belongs to the firm. So think of prop trading firm as a trading company, not an asset manager. Okay, and this single fact massively reduces regulation, legal cost, as well as compliance burden. Okay, so what is the minimum capital to start a prop trading firm in India? So we'll go through India, US and UK. So India legal setup best is to form either a private limited company or LLP, limited partnership. No SEBI registration is needed if you are trading with your own capital. Okay, if you're managing others money, then that becomes an alternative investment fund, which is basically a hedge fund or a asset management firm. Okay, or a private equity firm. But yeah, with pro firm, there is the best way is to form a private limited company or a limited partnership. Private limited company is good, and no SEBI registration is needed if you're trading own capital. Minimum capital needed is trading capital, at least 2 to 5 crores is needed for to trade. Operational buffer, just 12 months buffer, you need to put like 50 lakhs to 1 crore. So total minimum capital would be 3 crores to 6 crores is the minimum capital, realistic capital that is needed for trading a capital as well as operational buffer. Below 2 crores, it's not institutional, it's just survival mode. So minimum 3 crores you need to have, 3 to 6 crores to run a prop firm. Legal setup in USA. You form LLC or a C corp, register as a proprietary trading entity only. No SEC registration is needed if no outside capital is there. In US, minimum trading capital would be 1 million to 3 million. Operational buffer is $500K. Total minimum would be 1.5 million to 3.5 million is needed. UK, you can legally set up a limited company there. No FCA authorization is not required if you're only trading one capital. and minimum trading capital is 1 million to 2 million in UK pounds, and operational buffer is 300 to 500k pounds. So total minimum is 1.3 to 2.5 million pounds. Okay. So minimum team size, lean, but this is a realistic team size. Absolute minimum team, day one, should be a head or a founder should be there, one person who will do strategy, formulation, risk, as well as execution. He will take care of all that. And then a trader or a quant or assistant. Nowadays, AI is also helping in this part. But yeah, quant is needed because AI is not up to that mark yet. And if you're doing discretionary trading, trader is also needed. So one count is needed on that for execution and for signals monitoring and signals execution. Then we need this operations guys, finance guys, compliance guys. That's all outsourced or part-time, so 0.5 to 1. They'll do the reconciliation and they'll keep the books for us. And tech and infra, it's also outsourced to platforms, the servers they'll provide for us to do the trading. So minimum people is 2 to 3 only. So you need only these 2 people mainly, and this 0.5 or 1 is outsourced basically. And AI is helping to reduce even this 1% also to a lot extent. And minimum is 2 to 3 people are needed from day one. Okay. The salary is annual. Founder is variable. Profit share he'll have. Trader will be some 15 lakhs to 40 lakhs. That's the salary of a trader in India. Ops finance guys 6 to 12 lakhs. Their salaries and total fixed payroll will be 25 lakhs to 50 lakhs on a yearly basis. In USA, the same trader will earn 120k to 250k. And ops finance guys will be from 80 to 120k, and the total payroll will be 250k to 400k in US. UK trader will earn 80k to 150k pounds. Ops will be 50k to 80k pounds. Total payroll will be 150k to 250k pounds. So that's the fixed cost we have. External third party vendors needed in a prop firm, or unlike hedge funds, prop firm outsource much less. Okay, so core vendors are primary broker you need, and interactive brokers will help you most of the time. So interactive broker is a primary broker. Unless you are a very large proprietary trading firm, then if you are a large proprietary trading firm, then like Jane Street or something, you need Goldman Sachs or JP Morgan. Yeah, cost will be commissions you need to pay to the bank brokers, and margin interest, SOFR plus spread you need to pay to the brokers. Okay, software trading platforms you need. Bloomberg is optional. It costs 25k annually, but TradingView and NinjaTrader is enough. Okay, so that will cost around 1k to 5k. Trading platforms. This is for futures. Okay, TradingView and NinjaTrader. OMS and EMS systems are needed around 5k to 25k dollars. Risk systems are needed 5k to 20k dollars. Accounting and tax. So chartered accountant and CPA is needed. India it costs 2 to 5 lakhs, and in US it costs $10,000 to $20,000. Audit is optional. 3 to 8 lakhs audit we have to do. Okay. Legal one time only. Incorporation while incorporating the company 1 to 3 lakhs or 5 to 10k in US. Contracts 2 to 5 lakhs. What you don't need a fund administrator or a NAV fund administrator. You don't need a custodian. Broker holds assets. You don't need a trustee. You don't need investor reporting. You don't need SEBI and SEC filings. Annual fixed cost summary, if you see in India, it's a lean prop firm. Salaries would be around 40 lakhs. Software will be 10 lakhs. Office infra will be 5 to 10 lakhs. Legal is 5 lakhs. So 60 to 70 lakhs per year is annual fixed cost in India. USA it is 300k salaries, 50k software, legal audit is 30k. So 380k per year is in USA. So what is the minimum trading capital to break even? Rule of thumb is prop firm must generate 20 to 30% return on capital to survive. Okay, so in India, fixed cost of 70 lakhs. Required profit is 1 crore. So required capital is 4 crores. Okay, which is 25% of okay, so which is 4 crores is the minimum that is needed to generate a profit of 1 crore. Okay, fixed cost of 70 lakhs in that. And then you'll have 30%, 30 lakhs as profit. Okay. USA fixed cost is 400k. Required capital is around 1.6 million. Best company structure for tax optimization. In India, it's LLP will be lower compliance, profit is passed through. Private limited is better for scaling and if you want to have access to external capital. Tax, it's treated as a trading income, so business income it will be taxed as. GST usually is not applicable on own trading. USA LLC pass through, its best. LLC is traders use trader tax status and mark to market election is there, section 75. UK, it's a limited company, corporation tax is there, traders can deduct losses and expenses there. How prop firms scale? Critical insight. Most prop firms start with their own capital, build a track record, and add family office money. Later, they convert to a hedge fund or an alternative investment fund. Okay. And what are family offices? A family offices manages the wealth of one ultra-rich family. Okay. So, single family office is called as SFO, where one family, it's around 1,000 plus crore net worth. So, that's a single family office. Multi-family office serve, basically they serve several families capital is pooled and they manage the several ultra rich families monies. Okay, so that's what a family office is, and this is the insight. Okay, you start with your own capital, build a track record, add family office money, and then later convert into a hedge fund or AIF. Okay, so what do? These family offices, they do capital preservation and they do direct investments. They give seed funds to hedge funds. They involve in private equity, and they also manage a proper prop trading desk quietly. Okay, so many prop firms are actually family office backed trading vehicles. So that's a reality. Many prop firms are actually family office backed trading vehicles. Why family offices love prop trading? Because regulation is less or no regulation is there, high control is there, tax efficiency is there, no public disclosure is needed, faster decision making is there. So that's why they love proprietary trading firms, family offices. Final truth is prop trading is the fastest, cheapest way to become institutional, but scalability is limited. Personal risk is high. One bad year can kill the firm. Most elite hedge funds start as prop desks first. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.